Good morning, lovely people. This is 8 a.m. I'm waiting at the beach for the sun to come out. Yeah, we just have to wait for sun to come out, and I'm just enjoying this beautiful morning. And yeah, let's wait for it. I don't think so there is any sign of sun to come out today, because I am here to catch the glimpse of sunrise. That's why it won't come out. Simple as that. Typical. Let's go somewhere else. Keep forgetting. Trust me. मैं बहुत चाहती हूँ कि मैं आपके साथ उर्दू में कम्युनिकेट करूँ. देखिए कितनी प्यारी जगह है. नया साल है. मैंने सोचा नए साल की शुरुआत नई जगह से की जाए. क्या ख्याल है आपका? बहुत प्यारी जगह है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरे मोबाइल पे मैसेज है कि मैं ड्रोन नहीं फ्लाई कर सकती हूँ बिकॉज इट्स टू विंडी. 99% इज़ क्लाउडी. तो देखते हैं अगर मैं कहीं पे तुक्का लगा लूँ. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. तुक्का लगा लूँ. चलते हैं दूसरी जगह पे. It's so beautiful. It's so amazing. Right, if you see here, this edge is very sharp, guys. If I go one step ahead, that's it. I'm finished. So I'm really frightened at this time. मुझे really बहुत डर लग रहा है. And क्योंकि ये सब जैसे आप वो white color देख रहे हो ना, ये सब इस तरह से बहुत sharp edge है. और बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे पास हुए भी हो गए हैं. बल्कि लोग खुदकशी करने के लिए यहाँ पे आते हैं इस स्पॉट पे. तो मेरे कुलीग्स मुझे बहुत डरा रहे थे कि आप मत जाओ वहाँ पे. लोग तो जाते हैं खुदकशी करने के लिए. मैंने कहा यार मुझे मत डराओ, मुझे जाने दो, मुझे जाना है, मुझे जाने दो. कोशिश करूँगी अगर ड्रोन उड़े तो, लेकिन इट्स टू विंडी. ट्राई करने में कोई हर्ज नहीं है. Beachy Head in charge team vehicle. There were 3 officers in it. So I asked them if I can fly my drone here. They said no. Read my lips. No. So I said yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, you know, let's chill out, man. We'll do it on some other day. And it's windy as well. You can see where my hair is flying to. Yeah, so let's go to that corner at the top. That corner. Okay, let's go. I'm just about to prepare my drone and equipments when I saw the car is come up and they stood in front of me. So I thought, yeah, let's get a permission first. Right guys, this is what you see here. The white head is the Beachy Head. So if I go one step ahead, I'm definitely gonna be falling off. And it took me like 45 minutes to come up to this edge. This white place is head of the mountain. If I go one step ahead, I'm gonna just slip down. I'm not gonna go further because I love my life and I want still to survive it, and I still want to enjoy my life. No matter if some people have left me and gone, I don't care. It's their decision. You know, I can't force anyone to come back. जो मेरा था ही नहीं वो वापस कैसे आएगा? तो जो जाना चाह रहा है उसको जाने दो. Let everybody be happy in their life, and I just want to enjoy my life. And as I have said earlier, guys, I'm not a regular vlogger, so whenever I get a chance I make a video and upload it. So if you like it, don't forget to click on thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, thank you very much for popping in, and don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.